Hi, welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to discuss about the stock price prediction of HUL for November and December 2021 using some machine learning algorithm. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First we will do the fundamental analysis of Hindustan Unilever. Then we will see what is our machine learning algorithm predicted for HUL for next few weeks or months, and then we do the technical analysis of the same. So as we know, HUL is one of the largest FMCG player in India with a market cap of 5 lakh crore. I think there is no introduction is required for HUL, because in everybody's home there will be at least 2 or 3 HUL products will be there, and it have an all-time high of 2850, and it has a stock PE is a little bit high, but as compared to the peers it is okay. And these are some HUL products which we may use in our day-to-day life. And these are quarterly results of HUL. So we can see its sales is keep on improving in every quarter, and operating profit also is keep on improving, and profit before tax and after tax and net profit also is keep on improving every quarter. So this is a right instrument to invest, and this is a profit and loss statement. So we can see every year by year sales numbers are keep on improving, and profit as well, and profit before tax and after tax, net profit also keep on improving every year. So it's a very good FMCG company to invest for short time as well as long time as well. So this is the data input we have given to our algorithm. We taken data from 2017 onwards till 2021 November 10th. So this is we can see HUL is in a clear uptrend for past few years. So wherever we enter in this one, it is we are in a clear profit, and so this is a very good company for a long-term investment, which we can build our wealth around maybe 12 or more than 12% per year. So this is what our algorithm is predicted. So this is data input we have given in blue color, and what is there in green is what our algorithm is predicted, and what is there in the orange is actual HUL price for these days. So we can see what algorithm predicted and what is actual HUL price is almost matching, and this is what is there in red. But this is what algorithm is predicted for next few weeks and months. So here it is algorithm is predicting since there was a drop from 2850 to around 2300. So algorithm is predicting this is the right around 2300 to 400 is the right entry, and we can expect around 2800 or 3000 in a few weeks or few months. So by end of December we can expect a minimum 2850 to 3000. So entry we can take around 2300 to 2400 is the right point to enter. So this is the enlarged one. So algorithm is predicting from this point there will be a correction, and here there might be a double top might be created. So in this area we can, in this price range we can enter, and we can expect a very good rally after that, maybe till 2800 to 3000 we can expect in few months to few weeks. So this is our daily chart of HUL, which we taken from ChartLink. So here we can see HUL is almost trending through 200 moving average, which is in black color, and whenever we can see it is creating higher bottom, and these bottom are coming in line. So here currently the price is around 2400. So either we can enter here or we can enter around 2300. So we can put a portion of our investment in 2300 range. And if we are going for a safer investment, then it is better to enter around 2450. So after, as price is closed to 450, we can enter as a safer side, and then we can expect a rally to 2800 or 2850 in a few weeks or few months. So this is the weekly chart. So here also we can see it is in a clear uptrend, and these bottoms are coming in line. So around 2350 we can enter. 2350 might be the right entry point. 2300 or 2350 can be the right entry point, or as a safer side, we can enter above 2450, and then we can target around 10 or 15 percentage profit, like till 2850 we can keep as a target, 2800 to 2850 as a target. And this is OAE data which we taken from Opstra for NSE Nifty 50. So here also for this is a November month end expiry, like November 25th expiry. So here we can see like the put option sell is much higher than compared to call option sell. So compared to previous weeks or previous month data, like October and until call option sell for these 18,000 and 18,250 and all was very high, but now it is improved. Like we can see like there is an improvement in call option sell. So we are expecting like Nifty will move up in upcoming weeks. So similar effect will be there in Hindustan Unilever as well. And this is FE and DA activities which we taken from Opstra. So compared to October end, which was around 25,000 crore sell was happened in October end, as Nifty touched 18,600. After that things has been improved. Even there is a sell was there, but there is a buy as well was there in November first week. So you can see like by November end we are expecting some better rally in Nifty. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe, and please enable bell button for upcoming videos we do post. And if you have any suggestion to analyze any stocks, please do in comment box. So thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.